Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the antutu benchmark score of the Poco X2 and also known as the Redmi K30 device versus the Realme X2 phone. So both the phones are comes with a Snapdragon 730G processor. And recently in India, in the Flipkart, the Poco X2 got launched. So if you're first time watching this video, friends, definitely check the links in description for the other videos which I already did plenty of videos on the Redmi K30. So which is also known as Poco X2 device. So right now in this video you can see your friends the antutu benchmark scores comparison side by side. So every time I do the antutu benchmark score test, the Redmi K30 the Poco X2 phone gets the high score when compared with the Realme X2 device. So you can compare side by side scores here clearly. So both are having the same 8GB RAM variant, and let me show you the Geek Benchmark 5 as well. So you'll get a clear idea between the scores in the Geek Benchmark. So as you can see, I am using Geek Benchmark 5, and here also you can compare the single core versus multi-core. As you can see friends, here the Realme X2 is slightly winner. So overall friends, I will be uploading plenty of videos on the name of Poco X2 more and more again. So meanwhile, if you want to check the links in description for the playlist, you can find plenty of useful videos friends. So that's it for this video friends. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned friends. Bye.